Why is this Mansory G63 Sahara worth $1 million? This is more than an SUV. It's a rolling statement piece with a price tag that makes most houses look cheap. It started its life as a perfectly respectable Mercedes-AMG G63, but then it was completely reborn into, well, asterisk this star. So, the big question is, why? What exactly goes into a G-Wagon to make it command a price that can push $1 million? We're about to get up close and personal with a machine from one of the most extreme tuners on the planet, Mansory. We're going to pick apart every piece of the G63 Sahara Edition to see what makes it tick. From its wild exterior to an engine with supercar power, we're going to find out if that massive price tag is actually justified. The second you see the Sahara Edition, you get what Mansory is all about. This thing is built to dominate the road. A regular G63 already has a ton of presence, but Mansory dials that up to 11. The entire body is reskinned in carbon fiber, all made in-house. And that's not just for looks, it shaves off weight while making it stronger. Of course, you can't miss the desert camouflage finish that gives the Sahara its name. Mansory also widens the whole truck by 40 mm with these massive carbon fiber fender flares, giving it a seriously aggressive stance. Up front, you've got a new carbon bumper, an underride guard, and a grille that swaps the Mercedes star for the Mansory logo, just so everyone knows what they're looking at. They even added new headlights and a banker for spotlights on the roof, making it look ready for anything, day or night. It all rides on enormous 22-inch wheels, with options going all the way up to 23s. This is way more than just a body kit, it's a total reinvention of the G-Wagon. If the outside is a statement, the engine is an all-out assault on sanity. Pop the custom carbon fiber hood, and you'll find a completely rebuilt twin-turbo V8. A stock G63 leaves the factory with a healthy 536 horsepower, which is plenty for most people. But Mansory's engineers aren't most people. They rip that engine apart and put in legitimate racing components, new pistons, connecting rods, bearings, even a new crankshaft. The result? Power jumps to a mind-blowing 828 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. That turns this luxury SUV into a box-shaped supercar. All that power bellows out of a custom stainless steel exhaust with those iconic side pipes, and the sound is just pure theater. This isn't a simple tune-up, it's a complete mechanical overhaul that few companies would dare to try, and that level of engineering is a huge part of the price. Swing open the door, and you'll see where a huge chunk of that money goes. Mansory's interiors are legendary, and this is their masterpiece. The entire cabin is retrimmed from floor to ceiling in exotic, custom-tailored materials. You'll find marble-patterned camouflage leather and Alcantara everywhere, tying the inside directly to the outside theme. But the real magic is in the details. They've woven this intricate falcon motif throughout the design. You'll see wings stitched into the seats and door panels, and a falcon's head embroidered right into the headrests. This goes way beyond simple upholstery, it's genuine artistry. And since personalization is at the heart of what Mansory does, almost anything is possible. It's this bespoke craftsmanship, where every single surface is exquisite and every stitch is perfect, that makes the cost climb. This is a cabin built for a collector, not just a driver. So, what's the verdict? Is this kind of extreme customization a true work of art, or is it just completely over the top? I want to know what you think, so drop a comment below. And if you love getting into the weeds of the world's most exclusive cars, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. So, how does this all add up to a G-Wagon that can cost more than a supercar? You're not just buying a tuned-up Mercedes. You're commissioning a one-of-a-kind creation. The price reflects the full carbon fiber body, a completely rebuilt engine that delivers an incredible 828 horsepower, and a handcrafted interior that's pure luxury. While the $1 million title is a hook, one version was listed for around €770,000. These trucks are not cheap, and depending on the build, prices can climb and push that seven-figure mark. This is a vehicle for the person who looks at a standard six-figure G-Wagon and thinks, nice start. The Mansory Sahara isn't about transportation, it's about having something absolutely no one else does. And for that kind of exclusivity, the price is whatever the buyer is willing to pay.